Good morning, welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX copper market for this week and today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened last week and what we expected last week. The chart which you are seeing is an 1 hour chart. That means all the single candlestick here represents 1 hour. As a continuous follower of our presentation, you know that every week Monday we have weekly analysis, and for that weekly analysis we use 1 hour chart. Now you can see this red color candlestick which shows that the price opened around 466 on Monday. So what we expected last week was we were targeting this 465.5 zone in copper market very seriously, and we made our point very clear. If the copper is trading above 466, it is going to stay in uptrend. If it is going to trade below 466, it is going to trade in downtrend, and the next testing zone is 462 and 456 respectively. Now let us see what happened after the price opening. After the price opening, straight away the copper came down, but it could not stay here for a long time, as we had identified and made that clear in all our video analysis. 462 is always a very tough zone. So the price gave a bounce back, but it could not sustain there for a long time. So slowly and steadily the high was decreasing. We made it very clear and we identified this in our daily analysis. If you have any doubt, you can go back to our YouTube channel, Facebook or our blog website, where you can find our daily video analysis. And in this particular area, the market was taking some in and out around 465.6, our key target zone, and we held our hands crossed and we still betted on this key zone. And at last the price took some resistance around 466 and it came down and it released all its pressure, reaching the target zone of 462 and then 456, where it now until it came down till 453.6. Again it found some consolidation around 466, in and out there. Then the price closed around 457.45. so everything went up to our expectation, apart from the initial twist and turns around 466, and we made it very clear in our daily analysis. That is the reason we request you to follow our daily video analysis every day, so that it can guide you. And our charting platform, Goodwill charting platform, did its wonderful job in this particular area, that made the process very simple. Now let us see what we can do for this week. Now let us go and see the open, high, low, close analysis. Last week price opening, when we compare with the previous week price opening, all this blue vertical line indicates the respective price opening for that particular week. A bit lower. So last week price opening was bit lower. It could not create a new high. It had created a very big new low, and the price closing is far below the price opening and the previous week price closing. That gives us a very good signal that still the momentum for selling is on. So what we can do today we are expecting the price to open somewhere near 458. So it can possibly a continuation of what happened on the previous week. So we had not taken into account the rupee dollar factor. It has also got some influence. Since we are posting this video presentation very earlier, we could not take that into account. Before looking into how we can position ourselves, let us go back and see the price action, what happened earlier in this particular contract. Since the price is trading near 456, we want to know the importance of 456. Now let us go back. Whenever I place the cursor, you can see the time, date and time below. This 456 is a very important zone. If you go back and see what happened in the month of October, the price took this 456 as a support, and it divides this 456 and 452 actually divided this entire contract into two zones: price action below 456 and price action above 456. So you can notice that the price took some support around 456 in this particular contract in the areas around October 29, November 5. So the price reached 472, near 472, and again and again we repeatedly keep saying that support and resistance is not a single line, it is a particular zone. So it came up till 472. And again you can notice that in this particular area around November 14th, the price broke 456. Then it found a clear, you can see it price fell down till 442. Then again it gave a bounce back to 456 again, then found a resistance, came down, tested this 442 again, came down near. So you can notice that again and again the price was taking some resistance around 452 on November 29, November 27, and December 4, December 6. So what happened is that after giving a clear signal above 452 and taking clearing this 456, the price went up, and you know that these are the things happened recently. So the price went till 474.6. So this is how we are now staying in this 456. So we took a long journey. What happened around November and December, January for this particular contract. Now you should know the importance of 456. So our position is going to be very clear for this for copper traders. Till 462 we are expecting copper to stay in downtrend, but in order for copper to continue its downtrend, we need a strong price action below 456 that can push the price to 452. Be very careful. Follow, if you have history of chart, go back and see whatever happened. It is actually, it's a beauty to watch how technical analysis works and how it takes copper into action. So for we, in order to continue its downtrend, we strongly expect the price to go below 456, 452, so that it can test 446 and 442. So why we are targeting these zones now, you should know the reason behind that. That is the reason why we always refer the histories of price action, what happened earlier. So our strategy for this week is going to be very simple. Till 462 we are expecting copper to stay in downtrend. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.